Pepe coin is on the rise. Is Shiba Inu about to get dethroned? Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a look at Pepe coin, some price predictions, price news, and price action. We're going to cover it all here. Before I start the video, if you want to reach your crypto goals this year, smash the subscribe button down below. Let's jump right into the news. So Pepe coin down 2% today, and on the week we are down a whopping 14%. This may be an optimal time to re-enter into Pepe if you haven't got a bag already. Pepe price eyes a breakout rally with BTC research. Is a breakout imminent for meme coins post-halving? And we absolutely think so. The charts are suggesting exactly that. We're taking a look at the technical, guys. We're seeing a downward trajectory, getting ready for a proper pump. Talking about technicals, let's take a look at what the technicals have to say. So Pepe coin on the past week, guys, the summary is saying it has a strong buy with oscillators on a sell and the moving averages indicating a very strong buy. On the day, we're seeing again still in the buy. Oscillators are also in the buy, and the moving averages are in neutral. This could potentially be a time to enter Pepe if you haven't got a bag already. As for the post-halving, guys, what are we going to expect to see what happens with Pepe? So approximately 14 days away, and Pepe has never witnessed a halving cycle in its current lifetime. We are anticipating a massive pump to come post-halving, just because it's typically what happens after the Bitcoin halving. Altcoins and meme coins tend to pump, so we're very excited for that as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on with the overall market. We're down 0.01%, which is not too bad. We had a red week, but it looks like we're slowly recovering. Bitcoin's still a little bit in the red. ETH also just a little bit in the red, up on 24 hours, but on the week still in the red. And hopefully entering next week, we're at the end of this week, we're going to see some red days for Pepe. Now in the greed fear index, we could see, guys, we have re-entered in greed, or we've been in greed for the past couple of days now. We're hoping we're going to re-enter extreme greed because we were locked in extreme greed for some time now, and now we're kind of consolidating in this greed zone. Looks like we will be re-entering greed, especially with the post-halving, guys. 14 days away, Bitcoin's gonna go absolutely ballistic, hopefully pumping all the meme coins alongside with it. Now let's take a look at this article. Is Shiba Inu about to get dethroned? The rise of Pepe coin. With its total supply nearing depletion, Pepe's demand is expected to rise, fueling its market valuation and appeal. Over the past 2 months, the internet frog face favorite has ballooned over $3 billion, sparking a frenzy among investors and traders. There is a definite buzz around Pepe. A crypto analyst says many believe it's still got room to grow. And again, indeed, guys, I think Pepe still has a lot more room to grow, as it could be the #1 meme coin in the bull run this market. Pepe's limited supply with 420 trillion tokens already is in circulation, creating a scenario where demand could outstrip supply. This is backed up by recent price action. Pepe briefly touched $4 billion before a slight pullback. Technically, things are looking up for PEP2, and relatively strength index sits at a heavy 66, and its 50-day exponential moving averages rest at this price, indicating potential for continued growth. But can Pepe dethrone the meme king reign Shiba Inu? We're gonna have to wait and see for that. Again, we're very bullish on Pepe, guys. It's been taking the internet by storm. It's low-key the internet's favorite meme coin. Pepe, the most memorable meme coin in existence. The dogs have had their day. It's time for Pep to take reign. And honestly, this coin came out during the bear market and literally been holding on by a thread. Anyone who got in early, guys, for Pepe is obviously seeing a solid bag, and obviously it's still not too late to enter Pepe, but obviously the early investors have been seeing a solid bag. I myself got in during the bear market and I see some solid gains. Very tempted to sell sometimes, especially when we reach all-time highs, but we're diamond hand in this one. Again, everyone who got in over here has a fat bag. There's still opportunity, guys, because this coin could still triple, if not 10x from here, so you may want to grab a bag. But talking about getting early, guys, this is your last opportunity to get in early for Doge 20. Doge 20 launches on Doge Day. It's your last chance to buy. There's 14 days for its launch. They've already raised over $10 million, guys, and these pre-sale gems go absolutely ballistic. This coin also has good boy staking, where it utilizes Ethereum smart contracts to basically have investors earn passive income on their Doge 20. No more inflation, as it has a fixed supply versus Dogecoin's infinite supply. It's been featured on a ton of articles. They have a solid roadmap in place. We've been covering this one closely. Again, it's also been a fan favorite on Twitter as well, or X, with over 13,500 holders. Doge 20 isn't a typical Shiba Inu inspired token. Upholding Dogecoins do only good every day. Ethos is offering passive rewards through on-chain staking. Again, guys, this is your last opportunity to buy before it pumps and before it launches. It is launching on Doge Day. There's 14 days for this to launch. I'm going to go ahead and link it in the description below. But back to Pepe, guys, we can see Pepe's action. Again, looks like there's a correction in place. Hopefully this is going to set up for a nice swift recovery. As we're looking on the trade view, guys, the candles are indicating we are setting up for a resurgence post halving. This might be an optimal time to load up your bag. Again, Pepe available on almost every single market: Binance, OKX, KuCoin, if I'm not mistaken, crypto.com, Kraken. They're everywhere, making this very easy for retail investors to buy. With $2.8 billion market cap, 43 in ranking, this puppy is here to stay. Or I should say, this frog is here to stay. I want to know what you guys think about Pepe in the comment section below. Do you have a bag? Are you going to load up a bag? Let me know. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions. We're really bullish on what's to come this bull market for Pepe and meme coins as a whole. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to stay tuned to the latest and greatest crypto updates. That wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.